We have some big news here. Sessions Court now reserves the order on Riya's bail plea. Riya Chakravarti's bail plea for tomorrow. During the hearing there, the NCB has pushed for Riya to remain in judicial custody, saying that the investigation into the drug case is still underway. Remember, the hearing was currently underway. Now we hear that the Sessions Court reserves the order on Riya's bail plea for tomorrow. During the hearing, the NCB has pushed for Riya Chakravarti to remain in judicial custody, saying that the investigation into the drug case is still underway. Here's some big piece of information coming in. No relief for Riya as of now. The court reserves her bail plea for tomorrow. This, of course, even as earlier, the court quashed her bail plea, granting her judicial custody for up to 14 days. Riya Chakravarti now applying relentlessly for bail. And here's the Sessions Court who is hearing the bail plea, now reserves the order on Riya's bail plea and pushes it to tomorrow. During the hearing there, the NCB is said to have pushed for Riya Chakravarti to remain in judicial custody, saying that the investigation into the drug case is still currently underway. In fact, Riya Chakravarti's bail plea is yet to be heard. Remember, she's been trying relentlessly through her lawyers. Riya Chakravarti, along with Shouvik as well, trying hard to get bail. In fact, even the other housemates who have been arrested on charges of procuring drugs, even supplying them. A lot of talk about how Riya Chakravarti could have been the one driving the entire process. Cutting across to Ashutosh, joining us live for more details on that. Ashutosh, the Sessions Court now reserves the order on Riya's bail plea, pushes it to tomorrow. Take us through what's the likelihood that Riya could get bail tomorrow. Here's the NCB trying so hard to ensure that Riya remains in custody longer, and they claim that the investigation hasn't even remotely ended.
So, all right. So, all the viewers, those who are joining in this broadcast at the moment, let me give you a brief detail what has happened so far. 11:30, all these lawyers on behalf of their accused appeared before the court. The hearing resumed at around 11:45. What we know that order will be pronounced tomorrow by the Sessions Court judge. The reason being, it is being said by the daily register, the digital register of the court, where it is mentioned that order on the bail plea has been reserved for tomorrow. That will be announced tomorrow. But at the moment, hearing inside the courtroom is underway. Let me give you another update that all these accused, including Satish Manchinde, who has appeared for Shouvik and Riya Chakravarti, have concluded their arguments. Other four accused, the lawyer on behalf of them have also concluded their arguments, but it is now the public prosecutor who is still arguing. There's a lunch break, a short lunch break, and the order still, awaited. So clearly, the hearing is underway. Now, coming to the details part, that while defending their accused, they said that it doesn't require, as far as their lawyers is concerned, they say these all are bailable offences, that there is no further custody is required. Similarly, similar arguments were made by all the accused, including Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti. Now coming to the NCB's part, the public prosecutor who appeared for the National Narcotics Control Bureau, they said that our probe is underway. We are exposing a syndicate that requires further probe, and henceforth they need to be kept in custody because we may need further to probe them as and when our investigation goes further. So these are the reasons that they cited before the magistrate opposing the bail plea of all six accused, including Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti. What we also heard that the judge also read the statement of Riya Chakravarti that was recorded under 67A during the interrogation. And after all the arguments that was taking place, the public prosecutor opposed this bail plea. What we also know, the senior officer from the Narcotics Control Bureau, Samir Wankhede, was also present inside the court. After all the arguments being made, there's the reason being said that there is a section 27A imposed against them, where the rigorous imprisonment of more than 10 years, and clearly under these sections the bail should not be granted. But the reason, the biggest reason that NCB is citing while opposing the bail, says that we are still probing these.
Absolutely, the probe is still currently underway. We've already heard Riya Chakravarti make several arguments there through her lawyers that a lot of information could be concocted as well. She's lashing out at the NCB. However, NCB trying hard, relentlessly to make sure that she's still in custody. She remains in custody, but for now, of course, the matter has been reserved to tomorrow. Let's quickly cut across to Pia Hingorani joining us on the phone line. Pia, no relief for Riya Chakravarti as yet. The court has reserved the verdict for tomorrow. What's the likelihood that she might even remotely get bail tomorrow at least, considering the NCB is thick into investigation right now?
Well, that is a big question that even we are really waiting for. We really, are looking forward to the fact that we will get some clarity whether she will get bail or not. But Nabila, it's very interesting to note how Bollywood has, while they kept, mum for the last couple of months after Sushant's untimely demise, the fact that, people have come out in support of Rhea Chakravarti ever since she was, taken into judicial custody has been really heartwarming for her and for the entire family. Up until now, the big wigs or the A-listers of Bollywood, decided not to speak about it or, openly side with Rhea or with Sushant or his family. But now, be it Farhan Akhtar, her good friend Shibani Dandekar, Sonam Kapoor, Vidya Balan, all of them have actually come out in support of Rhea Chakravarti, and not only the usual suspects, that is Richa Chadha and Swara Bhaskar, but other people as well. So it has been very overwhelming for her and her entire family perhaps. But this is the kind of support that she's getting from the film industry at this point.
Right. Pia, if you can take us through those members. You spoke about Bollywood and several celebrities who are now coming out, showing up in solidarity for Rhea Chakravarti on their social media platforms. If you can take us through those people who are actually coming out in support of Rhea. Take us through the names. Pia, if you can hear us.
That she wore just before she was taken into judicial custody.
Go on, Pia.
So, the saying red that rose, the saying red that roses are red, violets are blue. Let's smash patriarchy, me and you. So that is that one quote that has in fact gone viral. Right from Sonam Kapoor, Vidya Balan, Richa Chadha, and all the bigwigs, including Farhan Akhtar, and then we've also seen Shibani Dandekar. We've seen Kareena Kapoor Khan, her good friend Amrita Arora. And all these people have been sharing that one quote which speaks volumes. But however, Nabila, let me also tell you, while, the A-listers have been the women or the female actors who have actually spoken out, very few male A-listers have actually come out, apart from Farhan Akhtar, of course, who are talking about this even on social media. And what's more interesting is that most of the people, like, the Khans or the be it Akshay Kumar or any of the big wigs, the male A-listers have kept mum and they've refused to speak about this at the moment, perhaps, not wanting to take sides. But it's interesting to see that even if it's a handful of those, especially the women in the film industry, they have taken a stand. They are coming out and saying that, it should be a fair trial and Rhea should perhaps not be vilified. She should not be victimized.
Precisely here, the entire case has taken a drug turn. It's a drug angle that is currently being probed here, Pia, and there are a lot of references to banned substances. That's something that even the Narcotics Control Bureau can't ignore, be it a celebrity, whether it is Rhea Chakravarti or even a commoner for that matter. And nonetheless, a lot of questions, of course, about where is this drugs coming from, right? Supply chain needs to be cracked down upon. But can we excuse something as heinous as procuring illegal substances and even eventually giving it to anybody, even if it is for Sushant Singh Rajput there? Can that be justified? That's precisely what questions now being raised. Nonetheless, there, Rhea Chakravarti now, her bail plea, she's trying hard to get bail. Her bail plea now, the court reserves the verdict until tomorrow. Thank you, Pia, for joining us.